What's up, everybody? It's like 4 in the morning. Krusty and Money Problem on the road again, heading to Mountain Madness. Let's go! Woo! Ow! Woo! We made it after sitting in line for like 2.5 hours, but we're here. Woo! Head-to-head J-Hook Mega Truck racing up here at New York State Off-Road Park. Shit is about to go down, and it's gonna be wild. A long jump, gotta jump a boat, do freestyle. Look, the crowd's already lining up out there. Let's get it. Go, go, go! Yeah! Well, I think I did it again, folks. I was in abuse today racing, and then my dumbass tries to go and do freestyle, and we broke some stuff. Yoke's broken on the drop box. I was like, oh yeah, that's not too bad. I got a spare one of those. But I don't think I should be able to turn my drive shaft this easy. I think that thing's cooked. Great times were had by all. As you can see, everybody's moving out, packing out on Sunday. Racing was friggin' crazy. Freestyle was nuts. We got a champion back there, freight train. You know, I just blew my front diff apart again, per usual. Barbie Jeep racing. Crazy open bog shit. It was just an epic weekend. Congrats to all the winners, and hope you guys liked the video. See you next time.